So Chris was recommended by a very good friend of mine that I trust her judgment. And I've done a lot of different trainings throughout the year, more on a personal level, because I believe when one changes their personality or enhances their personality, it flows in family, work, and life. I don't believe in the segregation between business and personal. I believe they're one, and one is strong. When I started working with Chris, the truth is, oh my God, the first few times it was like, wow. I was just depleted because we were going so deep in my beliefs and in my core of what made me tick. And in the past 2 years, the very apparent thing is I'm much more grounded. I'm much more sure of myself. I am much more assertive. I have much more courage. One thing very big, I listen and listen and listen and listen. And for me, listening is a sign that I'm willing to respect the other person, but also that I respect myself enough to listen, to get a different point of view than what my thoughts are. I'm more calmer. I mean, it's all a lot of things. It's like a web of change. And I can't define it in 2 or 3 or 4 traits. It's more like, oh my God, I deserve more than I thought I did. And I do go for more than I thought I did. I have a very strong base to be able to break my previous glass ceiling. And the glass ceiling was self-imposed. So I broke many glass ceilings throughout 2 years, and I continue to do so.